guys, this is Nina Perez and this is Memoirs of a Fat Girl, going from F.A.T to P.H.A.T, which is pretty healthy and terrific in real time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Make sure you click like and the little bell notification so you don't miss a video. If you see me with the same shirt and everything, it's because I have decided today that I was just gonna go for a little marathon and do a couple of recipes. So this recipe today is going to come from thebigmansworld.com, thebigmansworld.com, and it's a no-bake coconut balls, and it's 4 ingredients. And the reason I chose it is because it's just going to be one that's really quick and easy, so that you have no excuses and you can make them at home. Okay, so don't forget again to subscribe. Don't forget to go ahead and leave some comments below. Tell me what you think. Tell me if there's a recipe that you'd like to see me kind of recreate for you, something that you're used to having but you'd like to have it more healthier, whether it's keto or paleo or vegan or something, and I will try to create that recipe for you. All right, so let's get into this. This is only 4 recipes, 4 ingredients. See how tired I am? 4 ingredients. So we have some coconut here. We have some shredded unsweetened coconut, unsweetened, all right? Key word here, because they do sell them sweetened, which they are delicious, but not good for your waist, right? I have this keto, it's like a maple syrup, but it's keto. So it's made with alternative sugars, okay? So we're gonna put this in here, and we're gonna put some almond. I have this recipe, by the way. I made it in half because I know his makes like 40 of these little coconut balls, and I just didn't need that many. So so I have everything, but I will link his recipe down below so that you can follow him on his channel or follow him on his website and get the recipes for yourself. All right, he deserves the credit. This is his recipe, or I don't know if it's his, but it says the Big Man's World, so I'm assuming. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and post this. If it doesn't come quite together, it's still not coming together just yet. All right, guys, so I think that this is it. Okay, seems like it. All right, so I'm gonna take these now, and I'm literally just gonna make balls out of them, and then we're gonna pop them into the fridge or the freezer so that they can, you know, solidify. Probably can dip them into a little bit of Lily's chocolate if you wanted to, but that's all we're gonna do. So that's pretty much it, hopefully. Let me just taste it. Oh man. All right, thebigmansworld.com. These are good. These are very good. Okay, I'm gonna continue rolling these out. I wanna thank you guys so much for watching. I'll leave a picture and a description for you to link on underneath, so you can go onto his website and check out his recipes. I found this one, it was quick and easy. This will probably give me about 20 little balls maybe, because I did half the recipe, and his says that it gives you 40. Yep, it says it gives you 40, so I am gonna go ahead and keep rolling these out and enjoy them with my family. So thank you guys so much for watching. This was just a really quick, fast, and in a hurry recipe for you to have. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. It's Nina Perez, Memoirs of a Fat Girl, Fat out.